Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix iPhone reminders not working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have restart the reminder app. If the reminder app is not working, so then you have close from here, double tap on home tab, so then you have remove and restart. If the reminders app runs into unexpected glitches or bugs, it might not work as expected on your iPhone. When this happens, you can force the reminder app to close from running in the background, then restore all app functions to see it if this is fix the issue. Second solution, you have check reminders app notification setting. If the reminder app notification are disabled or notification tone is to set the quiet tone, it might catch the reminders to not show in the notification panel or make them enable. To ensure this does not happen, check the notification setting for the reminders app on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting, scroll down to click on reminders. So then you have seen your iPhone reminders. Then you have seen the reminders app on your iPhone. Then you have turned off notification on your iPhone. Click on, and then you have today notification is turn on from here, mute notification and turn on from here. Then third solution, you have turn off do not disturb mode unless an expectation is set. Do not disturb mode stops your iPhone off for notifying you about other things. This is a great when you are doing work that requires your undivided attention, like driving. However, on other occasions, it can block the reminders app from sending you reminders. So when not required, you can turn off do not disturb mode on your iPhone. See, the fixes the issue. So you have open the control center, click on focus, do not disturb mode on, and then click on turn off the do not disturb mode. Then fourth solution, disable schedule summary. When unable, schedule summary decides which notification are important and batches the other of being delivered at later time. While this can help reduce culture and stop important reminder notification from being displayed on your iPhone on the time. In this case, you can disable schedule summary and check again. Follow the below steps to open the setting. Click on notifications. Click on summary schedule turn off. I have already, then you must be turned off on your iPhone. uh, then last solution, you have update iOS latest version. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so you must be installed on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.